Hi, I'm Eric Jameson, Area Sales Manager here at Lyco Manufacturing. Today, we're shipping a continuous cooking and cooling line for pasta and rice. Lyco designed this cooker cooler for small to medium-sized processors that want to convert from batch processing to continuous. This continuous process saves labor and valuable time and helps maintain a high-quality product that has been cooked, cooled, and dewatered, making it ready for the next process. This machine is equipped with an even feed system utilizing a bulk feed hopper and a vibratory shaker that'll meter the product into the machine. At the discharge end of the machine, we offer a simple and reliable dewatering shaker to remove the surface water from the product. Capacities in the new 36-inch design range from 700 pounds per hour to 1,500 pounds per hour, depending on the cook and cool time. The heart of Lyco's system is the continuous cooker cooler that was developed in 1995. We now have over 220 worldwide. Here are some of the benefits of Lyco's cooker cooler. Lyco's innovative design has the cook cylinder and cool cylinder all in one common frame. This technology saves you space, time, and money. For products such as pasta and rice, we use Lyco's patented HydroFlow technology, which reduces any losses due to sticking and clumping and ensures absolute 100% uniformity. Save time and sanitation labor with Lyco's integrated side CIP system designed to clean both the cook and the cool cylinder. We offer a two-way flip-top cover to access both sides of the machine for cleaning and inspection. The unit also comes equipped with removable skin sheets to allow access to the cylinder. Our 36-inch machines have machine-mounted controls for easy installation. All Lyco machines come with Allen Bradley controls and HMI touchscreens with recipe management. So turn to Lyco Manufacturing for all your cooking and chilling needs. Come check out our full-scale lab. We can help you develop your process using our continuous cooking equipment. Visit our website at www.lycomfg.com or give us a call at 920-623-4152.